Okay, welcome. Today we're going to be talking about fractions. The first thing we need to know about fractions is that what y'all call the top number is what we actually call the numerator. And the bottom number is called the denominator. Now we can write this another way. We can write this as, since this right here is a fraction bar, it's also, we call it as the division. And this can be written as 7 divided by 12. Or the numerator divided by the denominator. So let's do another problem here. We have 0 over 2. The 0 is our numerator, the 2 is our denominator, and the fraction bar means division. So we could write this as 0 divided by 2. Now when we have 0 divided by anything non-zero, it's always going to be equal to just 0. What these parts mean is the denominator here, what it means is, it means that the total number of equal parts in each whole. The numerator, what it stands for is the parts we want. Okay, so let's do another problem here. We've got a couple examples going on here. We have another one. We have 4 divided by 0, or 4 over 0. That means that we have 0 total parts, but we're wanting 4 of them. How can that even be possible? If we wrote this as a division problem, it would be 4 divided by 0, and we actually call this undefined. Now some people like the little saying, if a 0 is under the line, then it's undefined. So that might help you. But if 0 is in the denominator, it's undefined. If 0 is in the numerator, the answer is 0. We can check that because whenever we have a fraction such as, let's go with something easier. No, not that one, sorry. I was going to go with 4 over 2. Now remember, this can be written as 4 divided by 2. And what is 4 divided by 2? It's just 2, right? So if I rewrote this and went 4 over 2 equals 2, we could check that to see if it actually worked by taking the denominator times our answer, and it should equal our numerator. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Yes, that is true. Now take that concept back over here to this 4 over 0. I'm going to get another color marker so it stands out. And if I have, over here, oh, my marker's dead. Isn't that always the way it happens? 4 over 0. Now I told you that that was equal to undefined, but let's just check out our, test our theory here. If I say 0 times the box, what answer would give me 4? Is there anything I can put in there for that box to where I can multiply it by 0 and get to 4? It's not. There's nothing. It would just be, if I put a 0 in there, what's 0 times 0? It's 0. If I put a 4 in there, 0 times 4 would be 0. So that's why we say that this is undefined when it's under the line. So you can always test it out with that. Okay, so I'm going to go on and go to the next section, and I'll see you in a little bit.